Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Chrome Remote Desktop to control any computer you own. You can see right here that I've already Googled it. Just click on it, click on Access My Computer. Then you're going to want to go to Set Up Remote Access. It's going to create a download. Just add it to Chrome. The extension. You want to choose a name for your system. So I'm just going to go delete. Name it whatever you want. Set up a 6-digit PIN. Give it a second. Just click yes on that UAC. Here you can see that we have this device set up already. So this is set up ready for remote access. So now we're going to switch over to our other computer. Now that we're on our other system, we're going to want to do the same thing. Go to remote access. And since we're on our Google account, you can see that the computer we set up is synced. So we just click on the computer we set up. It's going to try to connect to it, and we have to enter in our 6-digit PIN. And here we go. That is all there is to this. Just a note, I'm doing these on 2 Windows systems, but you can actually access this through iPhone, through Android, through a tablet. It doesn't really matter where you're coming from. But that is all there is to this. Hopefully this helps. Until next time.